We're going to start off our egg bites by cracking all these eggs. Got about a dozen eggs here. Okay, now we're going to mix that up. Get all the yolks broken up. I'm going to add in, this is about 1 3/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And this is about a cup of cream, heavy cream. And a few pinches of salt, sea salt. That's looking really good. Now we're going to set that aside and go get my muffin cups. I have my muffin tin here and just a little bit of butter, and I'm just going to slightly put a little bit of butter in these spots here, even though it is non-stick, just to ensure that the little egg bites don't stick when I try to pull them out. That looks good. Now some of these I'm going to line with ham. It's going to make a little cup. And some of them will be without ham. You just form it in there. Get like not a super thin slice. They call it a sandwich slice. And if there's little holes in the ham, it doesn't matter. It'll still form a cup. Okay. And these are going to be without ham. So now I'm going to start ladling in my egg mixture. I'll clean up the little spills before it goes in the oven so it doesn't bake on there. I'm going to add in some chopped cooked bacon, and you can use sausage or Polish sausage or any type of meat you want, or no meat, just whatever you like. And then, even though I have Parmesan in the egg batter, I cut up a little extra Havarti, which I think goes great with this. And I'm going to drop some little chunks of Havarti down into there. That looks good. And then I have a few chopped green onions. And I like to just do them lightly, not a ton. That looks good. And I'm going to add in just a little extra egg. You don't want them all the way filled to the top because they will puff up. But then even when they puff up, they will flatten back down again. You think, oh, it's all puffy, and then no, but that's the way they're supposed to be. Okay, and now I'm going to clean this up so I don't have baked on egg on my muffin pan, and those are going to go in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. These are perfectly cooked out of the oven, and you can see how puffy they are. When they start to cool, they'll deflate down a little bit, and you want to let them cool in the pan and then take them out. So we're going to let these sit a few minutes, and then we'll be back to pop them out. These have all cooled. You can see how they've settled down now, and we're going to be, I want to show you how these look. See how the nice ham makes that cup. And even though there's a few holes in there, the egg fills it in and completes the cup. And it makes a perfect little one-person meal. And so we're going to take these out right now and place them on a board, and then you'll see them all nice and finished. There we go. Super easy and delicious. Flavor them any way you choose. A great make-ahead crowd pleaser. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.